Are you getting ready for your U.S. citizenship interview? Nervous about what to expect? Don't worry, you're in the right place. In this video, you'll watch a realistic mock interview, covering every part of the N-400 naturalization process, including personal questions, English reading and writing, civics test, and tips for what to say and what not to say. This is a complete walkthrough based on real USCIS interviews, so you can feel confident and fully prepared for the big day. So watch till the end, and if you find this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with more real interview samples and U.S. citizenship tips. Let's begin the mock interview. Daniel Romero?
Yes, that's me.
Good afternoon. My name is Katarzyna, and I'll be conducting your naturalization interview today. It's a pleasure to meet you.
How are you doing today?
I'm doing great, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. Please follow me.
Okay.
You may place your belongings on the table and remain standing. Before we begin, I'll need to place you under oath. Could you please raise your right hand?
Sure.
Do you promise to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
Thank you. You may put your hand down and have a seat.
Thank you.
Do you understand what you just promised?
Yes, I promise to tell the truth.
Very good. And do you understand what it means to take an oath?
Yes, it's a public promise to be truthful.
Okay. Please let me know if any of your answers have changed since you submitted your application. All right.
Okay.
Did you come here voluntarily today?
Yes, I did. I've been looking forward to this day.
Okay. Do you know why you are here today?
Yes, I'm here for my U.S. citizenship interview.
Do you have any physical or mental conditions that prevent you from understanding or answering the questions in the naturalization interview?
No, I do not.
Do you feel well prepared for your interview today?
Yes, I do.
Good. How long did you wait before I called you in?
Not too long, about 35 minutes.
Do you have any questions before we begin?
No, thank you.
All right. If you don't understand a question, please don't hesitate to ask me to repeat or explain it. Is that okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Are you ready to begin your interview?
Yes, I'm ready.
Great.
Would you like to use the restroom before we begin?
No, I'm fine. Thank you for asking.
How did you come here today?
My friend drove me here.
Did you have any trouble finding our location?
No, it was quite easy.
How was the traffic?
Not too bad, about the same as usual.
How's the weather today?
It's very nice, bright and sunny.
What is your alien registration number?
My alien registration number is A612-894-357.
Where were you born?
I was born in Córdoba, Argentina.
What is your country of nationality?
My nationality is Argentine.
Can you tell me why you want to become a U.S. citizen?
I want to become a U.S. citizen because I believe in the values of democracy, freedom, and opportunity that the United States represents. I'm also excited about having the right to vote in elections.
What does being a U.S. citizen mean to you personally?
It means having a voice in the country's future, being an active part of society, and ensuring a secure and stable future for my family.
Good. When did you become a permanent resident?
I became a permanent resident on April 3, 2019.
Do you have a driver's license?
Yes, I have an Ohio driver's license, number OH982345667, which will expire in September 2029.
What is your full legal name?
My full legal name is Daniel Romero.
Have you ever used any other names?
Yes, I used the name Daniel Javier Romero, which is my birth name.
Is that the name on your green card?
Yes, the name on my green card is Daniel J. Romero.
Would you like to legally change your name?
No, I want to keep my current name.
Do you have a nickname?
Yes, my friends sometimes call me Danny.
Have you ever legally changed your name?
No, I have never legally changed my name.
When did you come to the United States?
I first came to the United States on January 12, 2017.
Where did you enter?
I entered through Miami International Airport.
Okay. What type of visa did you have when you entered?
I entered with an EB-3 job visa.
What is your date of birth?
My date of birth is September 14, 1988.
Do you have a social security number?
Yes, my social security number is 529-846-721.
What languages do you speak?
I speak English and Spanish.
What are your parents' names?
My father's name is Ricardo Romero, and my mother's name is Laura Romero.
Where do they live?
They both live in Córdoba, Argentina.
Are they U.S. citizens?
No, they are not U.S. citizens.
What is your religion?
I am Catholic.
What is your height and weight?
I am 5 feet 11 inches tall and weigh 175 pounds.
What color are your eyes and hair?
My eyes are brown, and my hair is black.
Okay. What is your current marital status?
I am married.
When did you get married?
I got married on June 10, 2018.
Is your spouse a U.S. citizen?
Yes, she became a U.S. citizen on October 20, 2024.
What is your spouse's full name?
My wife's full name is Sofia Romero.
When and where was she born?
She was born on January 5, 1991, in Rosario, Argentina.
Do you have any children?
Yes, I have one child.
What is your child's name and date of birth?
Her name is Isabella Romero, born on May 30, 2019, in Chicago, Illinois.
Is your child a U.S. citizen?
Yes, she is a U.S. citizen by birth.
Okay. Where do you work?
I work at Summit Engineering Group.
What is your job title?
I am a civil engineer.
How long have you worked there?
I have been working there since February 2020.
What is your office address?
The office is at 300 Innovation Parkway, Suite 210, Columbus, Ohio, 43215.
Where did you work before this job?
Before this, I worked at Cordoba Infrastructure Limited in Argentina as a project engineer.
Okay. Where do you currently live?
I live at 452 Oakwood Drive, Apartment 7C, Columbus, Ohio, zip code 43215.
How long have you lived there?
I have lived there since August 2022.
Do you rent or own your home?
We rent the apartment.
Who lives with you?
I live with my wife and our daughter.
What was your previous address?
My previous address was 119 Westfield Avenue, Apartment 2A, Chicago, Illinois, zip code 60616.
How long did you live there?
I lived there from May 2016 to July 2022.
What is your phone number?
My phone number is 614-555-2379.
What is your email address?
My email address is daniel.romero88@gmail.com.
Okay. Are you a member of any organizations?
Yes, I am a member of the Latin American Engineers Association in Ohio.
Since becoming a permanent resident, have you left the United States?
Yes, I have traveled abroad 4 times in the last 5 years.
Can you tell me about those trips?
Yes. My first trip was to Argentina, which was from February 8 to February 22, 2021. My second trip was to Spain, which was from July 14 to July 25, 2022. My third trip was to Brazil, from November 10 to November 20, 2023. My last trip was to Argentina, which was from March 5th to March 18th, 2024.
Did any of your trips last more than 6 months?
No, none lasted for more than 6 months.
Have you ever been denied a visa or entry to another country?
No, I haven't.
Did you always use your green card to re-enter the U.S.?
Yes, always.
Do you have a valid passport?
Yes, I have an Argentine passport, issued on June 1st, 2021, valid until June 2031.
Have you ever been deported or denied entry to the United States?
No.
How many total days did you spend outside the U.S. in the past 5 years?
Approximately 50 days in total.
During your travels abroad, have you ever been detained, questioned, or fined by foreign authorities?
No, never.
During any of your trips abroad, did you ever engage in illegal activities?
Absolutely not.
During your travels, have you ever experienced legal issues abroad, such as fines or detentions?
No.
Have you ever overstayed outside the United States?
No, I haven't.
Do you have citizenship in any other country?
No, only Argentina.
Have you ever traveled to a country with travel restrictions or advisory warnings?
No.
Do you file your taxes every year?
Yes, jointly with my wife.
Are you a member of any clubs or organizations?
Yes, the Latin American Engineers Association.
Have you ever received a ticket or fine?
Yes, a speeding ticket in 2023, which I paid.
Do you obey U.S. laws?
Yes, always.
All right. We'll now move on to the civics test. This part is about U.S. history, government, and some important principles of our Constitution. I'm going to ask you up to 20 questions, and you'll need to answer at least 12 correctly to pass. Please answer as clearly as you can. If you do not understand a question, tell me and I will repeat or explain it. Do you have any questions before we start?
No, officer.
Are you ready to begin?
Yes, I am ready.
Okay. Please listen carefully to each question. Name one power of the U.S. Congress.
Rights, laws.
Some states have more representatives than other states. Why?
Because of the state's population.
Who wrote the Declaration of Independence?
Thomas Jefferson.
How many U.S. senators are there?
100.
What amendment says, all persons born or naturalized in the United States and subject to the jurisdiction thereof are U.S. citizens?
14th Amendment.
Thomas Jefferson is famous for many things. Name one.
First Secretary of State.
Name one American Indian tribe in the United States.
Cherokee.
What founding document said the American colonies were free from Britain?
Declaration of Independence.
George Washington is famous for many things. Name one.
Father of our country.
The President of the United States is in charge of which branch of government?
Executive branch.
Name one power that is only for the states.
Provide schooling and education.
What did the Emancipation Proclamation do?
Freed the slaves.
Who is Commander-in-Chief of the U.S. military?
The President.
The nation's first motto was E pluribus unum. What does that mean?
We all become one.
Name one leader of the women's rights movement in the 1800s.
Susan B. Anthony.
How many Supreme Court justices are usually needed to decide a case?
5.
What did the civil rights movement do?
Fought to end racial discrimination.
What are two cabinet-level positions?
Attorney General.
How many senators does each state have?
2.
Who elects members of the House of Representatives?
Citizens from their district.
Great.
You have passed the civics test.
Thank you.
Have you ever harmed someone because of race, religion, origin, group, or opinion?
No, never.
Have you ever received weapons or military training? What is weapons training?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever been on probation, parole, or had a suspended sentence?
No.
Do you support the U.S. Constitution and government?
Yes, I do.
If required, will you bear arms for the U.S.?
Yes, I will.
Have you ever been part of the Communist Party or totalitarian group?
No, never.
Have you ever committed assault?
No, officer.
Have you ever committed a crime or broken the law but not been arrested?
No. I have never committed a crime or broken the law.
Have you ever committed domestic violence, sexual assault, or child abuse?
No, never.
Have you ever been in deportation, rescission, or removal proceedings?
No.
Have you ever been charged with a crime?
No, officer.
Have you ever served in the military or police of another country? Have you ever worked in a prison or detention place? Have you ever supported a dictatorship in the U.S. or your home country?
No, officer.
Have you ever been involved in kidnapping, assassination, hijacking, or sabotage?
No, I haven't.
What is assassination?
Killing an important person.
Have you ever seriously injured or tried to injure anyone?
No.
Have you ever been a prostitute or procured anyone for prostitution? What is procure?
No, officer.
Have you ever lied to any U.S. government official to enter the United States?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever been placed in jail or prison?
No. I have never been in jail or prison.
Have you ever gambled illegally or got money from it?
No, never.
Have you ever married someone only to get immigration benefits?
No. I have never married someone just to get an immigration benefit.
Have you ever falsely claimed to be a U.S. citizen?
No, never.
If required, will you do work of national importance under civilian direction?
Yes.
Have you ever been involved in illegal drugs like selling, smuggling, or using?
No.
Do you owe any overdue taxes?
No.
Have you ever taken part in torture?
No.
Are you unable to take the oath because of disability or mental condition?
No, I don't.
Thank you for answering honestly. All your answers show good moral character. This is very important for U.S. citizenship. Do you have any questions for me?
Thank you, officer.
Now, we will begin the reading and writing portion of your naturalization test. This part checks your ability to read and write in English. For the reading test, I will show you a few sentences, and you will need to read them aloud correctly. For the writing test, I will ask you to write a few sentences that I dictate to you. You need to read and write each sentence accurately. If you make a mistake, I will give you another chance. Do you understand what you will need to do?
Yes, I understand.
Are you ready to begin?
Yes, I am ready.
Okay. Please read the sentence on the tablet.
What country is to the north of the United States?
Great job. You have passed your reading test.
Thank you, officer.
Now we're going to move on to the writing portion. Please write this sentence. Canada is to the north of the United States. Excellent. You have successfully passed both the reading and writing portions of the test.
Thank you, officer.
Let's go over a few questions to know about your moral character. These questions are very important. So, everything you say must be true. Have you ever been involved in any organizations or groups that advocate violence or discrimination?
Absolutely not.
Have you ever failed to attend a court hearing or immigration appointment without a valid reason?
No, never.
Have you ever assisted anyone trying to overthrow any government in the United States or your home country?
No, never.
Have you ever failed to report an incident that should have been reported?
No, officer.
Have you ever helped someone immigrate to the U.S. illegally or provide false documentation?
Absolutely not.
Have you ever been involved in prostitution, human trafficking, or sexual offenses?
Absolutely not.
Have you ever received public assistance that you were not entitled to?
No, officer.
Have you ever received public assistance or government benefits?
No.
Have you ever failed to pay taxes or filed late intentionally?
No, officer.
Have you ever lied to avoid military service or public duty?
No, officer.
Have you ever failed to support your children or spouse financially?
No. I always provide support.
Have you ever used false documents for employment, school, or immigration purposes?
No, I haven't.
Did you register with the Selective Service if required?
Yes, officer. I am ready.
Have you ever committed domestic violence, abuse, or neglect?
No.
Have you ever signed any contracts in the U.S. that caused problems later?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever been involved in any civil lawsuits or legal disputes?
No.
Do you owe any debts to the government, like student loans or federal fines?
No.
Have you ever been involved in any traffic accidents where someone was injured?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever sponsored any relatives for immigration to the United States?
Yes, officer. I am ready.
Have you ever knowingly submitted false information on an official form?
No, never.
Have you ever acted as a guarantor for anyone who violated U.S. laws?
No, never.
Do you have any pending police case in your home country or any other country in the world?
Absolutely not.
Have you ever assisted someone in avoiding law enforcement?
Absolutely not.
Have you ever financially supported a family member living abroad?
Yes, officer. I am ready.
Have you ever experienced an emergency abroad that required contacting U.S. authorities?
No.
Have you ever faced legal issues with property or tenants?
No, never.
Do you have any reservations about the oath?
No.
Have you ever signed legal documents or contracts in another country while being a U.S. permanent resident?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever encountered situations that required reporting to law enforcement abroad?
No, officer.
Do you confirm all your answers today are true and complete?
Yes, I confirm.
Do you understand that after taking the oath, you will become a U.S. citizen?
Yes, officer. I am ready.
Do you believe in equal rights and opportunities for all people, regardless of race, religion, or gender?
Yes, absolutely.
Are you ready to defend the Constitution and laws of the United States?
Yes, absolutely.
Would you like to share anything else?
Yes, I am honored and grateful to become a U.S. citizen. I want to contribute to this country that has given me opportunity, stability, and freedom.
Very good. Do you understand your responsibilities as a U.S. citizen? Paying taxes, following laws, serving on a jury if called, and supporting your family?
Yes, I do.
Do you understand your new rights and responsibilities?
Yes, to vote, obey the law, pay taxes, and serve the community.
Congratulations! You have completed your citizenship interview. Here's a copy of your test results.
Thank you.
I will submit your application for approval after proper verification. And we'll email you with details regarding your naturalization ceremony. Do you have any questions?
No, I don't. Thank you again.
You're very welcome. Have a great day.
Same to you. Good day.
Thank you.